In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to refurbish and reset the maintenance tank on an Epson Stylus Pro printer. By resetting your maintenance tank using an inkowl chip resetter, you can save money with the added convenience of never having to worry about extra maintenance tanks, all the while reducing plastic waste. Step 1. Remove the maintenance tank's grate using a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, or a similar tool. Step 2. Remove and discard the used up sponge material. Step 3. Rinse the maintenance tank and then dry it off using a disposable towel. Step 4. Align the 7 pins on the resetter with the 7 contacts on the maintenance tank chip and press down on the resetter. The LED lights will flash red at first and then change to green. The tank is now reset. Since there is no longer any absorbent material, ink will flow directly into the maintenance tank. Therefore, it is important to empty the maintenance tank frequently and be careful when removing the maintenance tank to avoid spilling. See our website for other products for Epson large format printers including ink, sublimation and screen printing supplies, and much more. Take a moment. Think green. Think refilling. Think inkowl.